Why was the Refugee Act of 1980 important for immigration reform? Imagine a time when the United States had no clear rules for helping people fleeing danger. That changed with a law that shaped how we treat refugees today. The Refugee Act of 1980 was a big step forward. It created a fair system for admitting and helping refugees based on humanitarian reasons. Before this law, refugee policies were inconsistent and often based on politics or nationality. This law aligned U.S. rules with the United Nations definition of a refugee, which includes anyone unable or unwilling to return home because of persecution or fear of persecution. This was a major change because it meant more people could seek protection without being limited by their country of origin. The law set up the United States Refugee Admissions Program, which created a standard process for vetting refugees before they arrived. This process used clear criteria to decide who could come in, making it more fair and transparent. It also established the Office of Refugee Resettlement, which helps new arrivals find housing, learn English, get jobs, and access legal help. This support system made it easier for refugees to settle and become self-sufficient. For Latino families, this law was especially important. It removed restrictions based on nationality, so refugees from Latin America could seek protection under the same rules as others. It also provided a clearer legal path for asylum seekers and refugees to get legal status and support. The law gave the president the power to set annual refugee admission levels and increase them during global crises. It also waived some immigration requirements like labor certification and literacy tests, making it easier for refugees and their families to enter the country. In practical terms, Latino families seeking refuge or asylum could benefit from a more reliable and fair process. They could access services that help with housing, jobs, and learning English. Knowing their rights and the resources available under this law helps families navigate the immigration system better. Overall, the Refugee Act of 1980 modernized U.S. immigration policy to be more humane and organized. It improved the experience and rights of refugees, including those from Latin American countries, and laid the foundation for future immigration reforms.